Hindi tinatanong kung maganda gising mo o pangit ang gising mo. Hindi tinatanong kung kailangan mong gawin o gusto mong gawin. Ang tinatanong, ano yung kailangan mong gawin. That is commitment. Commitment is a commitment, regardless of how you feel and what you're thinking. Right? Because I'm telling you, you're not gonna be successful unless you're committed in this kind of business. It's how your mindset. It's not about the season. Sabi nga, it's not the wind, it's not the blow of the winds. It's how you set your sail. So if you see someone is outstanding, they make it possible sa mga nakakakita. If you're an outstanding leader, yun din ang mga galing sa organizations natin. You want to have an outstanding organizations? Then be outstanding. Break mo sa isip mo pa lang and have that commitment to really train yourself every single day. Determined to really join. Hindi ako masyado nag-iisip. I think merong advantage yung mga tao hindi masyado nag-iisip. Basta action lang ng action. I'm here not because of my personal dream. I'm here because of the dream of my family as well. Don't do this as only for yourself. Gawin mo to sa mga taong mahal mo sa buhay para wala kang reason para mag-give up. At sigurado magdidire-diretso ka, makukuha mo yung pangarap na meron ka. Right? After 4 years of a lot of failures in network marketing, after a lot of rejections, after yung mga tao ang tingin sa akin, scammer, na ito yung taong ito walang mararating, pag sinabi mong success, I became a Ruby director from 200 to 500,000 a month.
An ordinary people right now. But if you dream big, you can be big, right? But if you dream big, you can be successful with this perfect opportunity, USANA opportunity, right?